Okay, so Shadowfax has a question also. What is the secret to be handsome like Kitty?
Ano? Kasi hindi ako, na
English
ganun.
daw, English daw, English daw.
I don't do, anong tawag yun? Anong pang may nilagay ka sa mga mukha para mas malinis?
Facial cleanse.
Mga facial cream, I don't use it. Ano lang, basa-basa.
So, he doesn't use anything in facial, just splashes of water.
Yes, sir.
That will do. Facial routine review.
Wala, basa-basa, water lang.
So, Jana asked, what is your favorite Pokemon?
Charizard.
Why Charizard?
Gusto kasi yan na itsura niya. Tsaka nung bata pa ako, yun yung gusto kong Pokemon hanggang ngayon. Favorite ko pa rin.
Who is your favorite Animal Crossing villager?
Apple.
Thrifty asked, what all games do you like to stream?
The games that I like playing on stream
Yes.
are like Hunter, Pokemon, Animal Crossing, Fortnite, Overwatch.
You should add Fall Guys daw, said Thrifty.
Yeah, I forgot Fall Guys din.